Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the team. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the one, the only Blackberry. As of today, the stock has sold off about 13% in value. We're going to be talking about what's going on, answering that main question of, is now the best time to invest? Should you invest? So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, exciting news, we just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about my strategies, my mindset, how I find stock and opportunity. Also, we talk about strategies that I've used to grow accounts from $100 all the way up to $2,000. We have live streams, we have quizzes, all that good stuff. Check it out. We're doing the Black Friday sale. So, all right, let's dive into this. So, what is going on with Blackberry? Well, Blackberry has sold off about 13%. As we go to the chart today, you guys will see that it absolutely got crushed. Sold off from about $4 all the way down to about $3.52. So for a stock like Blackberry, that's one, very volatile, two, that what we've seen over the past year has honestly been a relatively sluggish, stock. So for a stock selling off 13%, that's a decent chunk of change. But in general, it's not the largest sell-off we've seen in the past year from Blackberry. But why did we get sell-off? Well, the company released an earnings report. So pretty much what happened was they didn't do very well. The company was expected to bring in about $159 million, but they brought in about $150 million. So that's not the greatest thing. At the end of the day, one of the things that's very important is keeping up with Wall Street. That is what makes investors happy. If you're doing what Wall Street's expecting of you, if you're beating their expectations, you're going to cause more investors to flock to this. And honestly, Blackberry just disappointed. But at the end of the day, is this a huge surprise? Not really. And what I mean by this is over the past, couple of years, we've seen Blackberry just get annihilated. Sold off, from highs at $28 all the way to about $3. Now, one of the reasons why a lot of people loved Blackberry was because this was the overall craze of these meme stocks, where these stocks were skyrocketing up, selling off, skyrocketing up, selling off. And a lot of people love to see these stocks, and hopefully we can relive those memories. But honestly, it's going to be very, very, very rare if we ever see those moves again. But some of the things that's very important, at least for me, to understand if you should invest into a company is looking at some of the fundamentals. So looking at them here, you guys will see that Blackberry hasn't done the greatest, right? We have seen an increase on the earnings per share. Their revenue has gone from all the way up to $373 million, all the way down to $156. So the revenue's not doing very well. Looking at, this, you guys will see that we've seen quarters where it's down 21%. This past quarter it was up 3%, but they still didn't keep up with Wall Street's expectations, which is going to cause sell-off. On top of that, looking at their operating income, their operating income's up about 77%. Net income is down 425%. So to answer that main question, honestly, of should you invest into Blackberry, at least for me, for a long-term investment into Blackberry, I would not recommend it. I think it's way too risky. I think it's way too volatile. And yeah, we could see this stock squeeze up to $10, $20, whatever it may be. We could see that move again. It's not unlikely. It's not likely to see that move. But I think the risk tolerance, at least for me, would be way too high. I would rather see myself use the money that I would invest into Blackberry and invest it into Apple, Google, Tesla, or even just general ETFs or index funds where I know I'm diversified among the top companies. I have very, very little downside, and I know what I'm investing in. Blackberry honestly has been a sinking ship over the past 5 years. It's down over 50% in value in the past 5 years. So for me, guys, I'm not investing into it. Yeah, that's why we've gotten sell-off. And I wouldn't be surprised if there's people in here that think this thing can easily go up to $50, $60. But I'm not one of those people, guys. So that's what's going on with the stock. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. And we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my swing trading course. We'll see you guys later. Take care.